Hey, how are you guys? Hope you are doing well. Everyone is fine. Today I came again with one more technical video about printers, and right now with me I have Epson L3070 ink tank printer. This is very useful printer if you have a lot of copies to print or daily there are very high quality you want to print the papers. So this is very useful printer because there is an ink tank on the right side. Right now this printer have issue about the print quality. It's not printing all the colors very fine. Ink tanks are full. I checked it and I will show you now the print quality also. Then we'll tell you how to fix this print quality. You can use this some steps and you can fix your printer at home without taking it to any service center. So stay with me, watch the complete video. In the end, if you have any question regarding any printer, you can ask me in the comment box as well. L3070, 3060, some other ink tank printers have the same method. You can fix it at home. Even though you have any other printer, inkjet or ink tank, you can ask me in the comments, and I will highly appreciate your queries and will like to answer your queries. So guys, here we go. First of all, I just show you a look of the printer. Hold on. Yes, you can see this is Epson L3060. This is an inkjet printer, and you can see there are 4 colors right there, and the ink is almost full. And now I will give the print command, show you the print quality. It's right now open with the printer. You can see inks is showing full. I gave a test page command. Let's see how is the print quality. Yes guys, here we go. You can see the black is fine, no issue with the black, and you can see the color is supposed it should be here the blue color, and it's giving the pink. So we have to clean the print head with the maintenance utility in the computer. First of all, you have to install complete driver to access the all functions of the printer. Right now I have this icon, it's little hidden, no issue. Just go printer preferences. Okay, you can see there are 3 options on the top. Main, this is the main menu, then more options, then maintenance. Click on maintenance and you can find some other tabs here. Right now, nozzle check, head cleaning, print head alignment, powering, flashing, job ranger light. So ignore all the icons, just go straight away to power ink flushing. Power ink flushing, actually you can read here also. I will close little. If you have not used this product for a long time and find branding or missing colors in the printouts, you may need to replace the ink inside the ink to solve the problem. So it's saying about if you the issue is actually this cause happen due to if you are not using for a long time the printer, then it start the misprint. So the print quality will be better after you use this option. So you have to be aware that before start this power ink flushing option, your ink tank should be filled with that ink because it consumes a bit amount of ink. So you have to make sure that first your ink tank have enough ink to clean this option. I will press OK, and also it asking again the caution, are you sure you want to run this function, because it consumes lot of ink. Okay, so you have to make sure first. And if you already did this option, no need to do it again and again. Just one time is quite enough. If the issue will be remain again, then maybe it needs to replace the ink head. So I will start to clean power ink flushing option. It will take approximately around 5 to 7 minutes. So stay with me. It will finish as quick as you can see. Right after this function, we will check again with another command to see either it's fixed or not. You know, these ink tank printers actually, if you will not use couple of weeks or months, so it dry the ink in the nozzles. So that's why it miss the prints while you're printing the colors. So this is the option you can use at home. let it complete powering flushing, and you can hear the voice also here. There's a bit of voices. It just started the process. This layout is in Arabic language, so just ignore this. It will write here cleaning print head, please wait. I will place another paper to see quality. It will not take long. I place the paper here. Okay guys, let it complete the process, then we will give again command. You can see here the bar is running. It will not take a long, approximately 5 to 7 minutes, so no need to worry about this. Keep patient and sit behind, let it complete. And you have to be careful about while you are running this function. You should not disconnect the power cable to interrupt the process, okay? And two things you have to be in your mind, that ink tank should be filled with the ink, proper ink should be inside, because it consumes a lot of ink. Second option is power should not be disconnected. First of all, these you can see these options here, maintenance and more options. You cannot get these options until you install the complete driver, okay? I mean that complete software for Epson website, okay? If you just install the driver to printing the papers, you cannot get these options. You have to install complete application from Epson website to get this options maintenance. I will give you the quick review about some more function. Let it complete here. This is nozzle check function. This is head cleaning function. Sometime there is small dots on the paper, or the text is not clear, or text is sometime not equal or parallel to other text. So you can use this option, print head alignment. And print head cleaning is just gentle cleaning, not like powering flushing. It consumes less amount of ink, and the powering flushing consume lot of inks. Job arranger light, this is just to you have, if you give many commands at the same time. So this is the job arranger function. I never used this before, I didn't try it. What is this about? Epson status monitor is this function is it will show the status right in the taskbar. When you print the paper, it will show you the printer's state, its steady state, or it's printing the paper, or also it gives you the colors identification, that how ink tanks are filled, what is the quantity inside. Monitoring preferences, this is the preferences set. You can set it what you want to see while you're printing. Some settings, other extend settings, and print queue, print and option information. So just ignore these options all. Whenever your printer got problem, just go for powering flushing, and don't use this option many times, because lot of times when you will use this option, it may damage your print head, okay? I will give you a way, if you don't want to damage your print head, or if you don't want to disturb the print quality, just every week make 2 or 3 prints out, okay? If you will leave this printer for 2 or 3 weeks, it dry the ink inside the ink heads, okay? So just 1 or 2 papers, just try to print each week. So it will running your head, and the inks will consume from tanks to the tubes right away with the to the print head, so it will not dry the inks. So this is a better option, that you have to use this printer in every week, just 1 or 2 papers. Or even if you are connected with the electricity, there is a function inside this print automatically clean the print head also. So guys, it's around to finish this option. We'll check, let it complete. We'll give the print command also. So now after this we will give the command again. Yes guys, the process has been completed, so I will press finish. you press OK, go to again this option, right click, printer properties, to check the print quality. I gave the print test command. Again this show the message about the approximate ink levels here, and it started the printing. This guys, here you can see guys, this is after ink flushing function we use this was the before. You can see the print quality is quite fine now. So you can fix your printer at home with this option. It's very useful utility to fix your printer. Hope you learned it, and if you have any question you can ask me in the comment box. If first attempt is failed and you couldn't find the better result, you have to wait 12 hours to use this function again, but I will not recommend you to use these options again and again. Okay, just use one time, and hopefully this will fix your issue. So guys, if you have any question you can ask me in the comments, and I will highly appreciate if you subscribe my channel and ask me in the comments if any query. I will apply your answers. So guys, take care, bye.